Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our new channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp notification is not showing. So let's get started. Well, here I'm on my WhatsApp account. Now, if you're getting a message and it is not showing any notification or the sound has been disappeared or something like that, well, the first thing that you can do to fix this problem is to tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on settings. Here, a list of options will appear, so choose notifications. And here, make sure that conversation tones it is toggled on, because if it is turned on and if you're getting a message, then you won't be notified and the sound will be silent. So make sure to toggle on the conversation tones. Great. Another thing that you can do, go out from WhatsApp and then go in settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. After that, tap on the second option, manage apps. Here, a list of all the apps on your phone will appear. So scroll all the way down and look for WhatsApp. And then tap on clear data, then clear cache. And that should fix your problem. And this is how to fix WhatsApp notification is not showing. Thanks for watching. See ya.